Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this particular episode, I'd like to talk about something that is unfortunately happening quite often right now as we are all sequestered in our homes. There's a lot of people who are on various work permit status, such as H-1B or O-1, different ones, H-3, H-2B, and they have essentially been sent home furloughed without pay. So let's talk about a couple things. Now, for example, let's just do the H-1B because that is where the majority of people calling with the questions are. So, first of all, let's pretend that there wasn't a problem and you weren't sequestered. If you just stopped working at your job and didn't get paid, you'd be in violation of your status because the H-1B mandates that you work a certain number of hours at a certain place for a certain time each week, whether it's part-time or full-time. It does mandate that you do that. Now, of course, I understand that it's under, orders that you're quarantined, that business has plummeted, that you are physically unable to go to work, and that you have no authorization to go to work. So I understand that, but you don't want to just remain out of status in violation of your status as the time goes on. You want to try to do something about it. So, what is it that you might be able to do that would both uh, try to get your status maintained, but also make it so that your employer, number one, wouldn't lose you as an employee when things get back to normal, and number two, your employer would also not be violating any provisions of the H-1B code. So one thing that can be done is you can call up your employer and try to get an amended time schedule. So let's just say you were working 40 hours a week. So what we can do is file an amended petition with the appropriate immigration service agency, and we can ask that first of all that the number of hours be changed from full-time to part-time. And we can be extreme and say you're going to work 1 hour a week, okay, which means you have to work 1 hour a week. So you work 1 hour a week, and your boss agrees that they will change your hours from 40 hours a week to 1 hour a week. Then we need to also change the location, meaning that you will work remotely at your home for 1 hour a week, and your boss will pay you for 1 hour a week. We get that amended H-1B petition filed with immigration, and if approved, then you won't be violating your status, you won't be considered out of status, and everybody's going to be happy. The only thing it's really going to cost as far as your salary is 1 hour a week, and that would be the best way to do it. And then when things get back to normal, and hopefully you get your 40 hours back, we have to then refile another amended petition back to 40 hours, and then change the location again back to where the physical location of the employer is. So that would be the best way to resolve this situation and maintain your status, because unfortunately, unlike a permanent resident or US citizen, who they only have to worry about not getting any money, you also have to worry about not getting any money and maintaining your status. So it's two big things you have to worry about. So if you would like to have some help on what needs to be done in the procedures, feel free to give my office a call, email me. I'll be happy to help. If you like the video, click like, subscribe, and more on the coming weeks. Thank you.